All right, so 320 degrees, if you added or subtracted 360, you can get that angle. So, that is how you will find a coterminal angle. You will add or subtract 360. So that's all you have to do, is add. So 320, if you add 360, you get 680. Or you take 320, and if you subtract 360, that's how he got his negative 40 degrees. So all you have to do to find a coterminal angle is you add or subtract 360. That's it. Very simple. So for this one, negative 145 is going to be in quadrant what? Negative 145 is going to be in this quadrant. You're going to go backwards like that, negative 145. All you have to do is do 360 minus 145 and do the math. What do you get? 215. And that's what this angle is right there. From here to here is 215 degrees. These are coterminal. And the last one, what would I do with 840? I surely don't want to add 360, it's going to be huge. I would subtract 360. And you may want to subtract 360 again. So I'm going to do this. 6, 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 480 is still huge. It's still bigger than 360. So I could subtract another 360. And I get 120. I know where 120 is. Where's 120? It's in quadrant 2. There's 120. So guess what 120 is? A 120 degree angle is the same as a a 120 degree angle is the same as a 480 degree angle, which is the same as an 840 degree angle. Okay?
Is this on?
Yes. Okay, so can someone write this, tell me what to write here. To find a coterminal angle to any given angle, what should we do? Add or subtract what?
360.
360 to that angle. That's it. Add or subtract 360. You can keep adding and subtracting forever. Now, 6 more. In this last question, they want us to find all of the coterminal angles between between 360 and between negative 360. Okay, so what are you going to do? If you have a 75 degree angle, and we want to find all of the coterminal angles that land right on 75 degrees, that are coterminal with 75, what are we going to do?
Add, subtract 360.
Yep, we're going to add and subtract 360. So let's start, we start with 75. If we add 360 to that, what's going to happen? Guess what? That's too big, because we want it to be less than 360 or greater than negative 360. So that's too big. So let's take 75 and let's subtract 360. Can you tell me what you get? Yes. Not right now.
It's important.
Not right now. What is this answer? What's 75 minus 360?
Negative 285.
And that is less than negative 360. Next one, 270. If we add 360 to this, it's gonna be too big, right?
Right.
So we're gonna take 270 and we're gonna subtract 360. What do you get? What's 270 minus minus 360?
Which side do I need to go?
Negative 90.
And that's it. That's the only one. Number C, or letter C. If you add 360 to this,
180.
180. Now, if I try to add 360, obviously it's going to be too big.
Yeah.
If I take negative 180 and subtract 360, that's going to be too big. So that's our only answer for that one. Okay? How about 415? If I add 360, what's 415 minus 360? What is that? 415 minus 360.
45?
What is it?
It's 45.
Is it 55?
Yeah, it's 55.
55. Now, if I tried to add 360, I'd be 700 and whatever. So that's too big. So that's our only answer. How about E? If I add 360 to this, what do I get?
330.
330. And if I subtract 360, that's too small. So that doesn't work. Because negative 330 minus 360 is going to be negative 390. Whoops. And that is just not going to work. And the last one, 790, what should I do with that?
Subtract twice.
Yeah, you gotta do it twice.
And what do you get? You get 430 first, which is too big.
Then
Subtract it again, what do you get?
7.
Now, am I done? Did I find all of them for this one? Nope, you're gonna subtract 360 again for this one. There's another answer. You get negative 290. So this one has two answers, 70 and negative